Welcome back to another resort video found here on our green playlist. Today's tour takes us to Disney's Pop Century Resort. So we're going to check out the grounds and the pool, the lobby, the gift shop, and show you everything you need to know for your next Walt Disney World vacation. So I'm inviting you to join along. All right, before we go in the lobby, I wanted to show you where you catch your bus to the Disney parks. Right down over there, you can see the first one is the Magic Kingdom. Inside those doors is the gift shop in Classic Hall, which we'll go in just a minute. You can see the theming of Pop Century are the different decades of the 20th century. 1960, 1970, 1980, 1990. So let's head on straight over here, go to our left, enter the lobby, and give it a check out. All right, we're now in the lobby. You can see it's the same setup as the All-Star Resorts lobby or Art of Animation. Only different decoration. Over here behind the front desk, check-in area and concierge area are photos from the decades past. And then a really fun thing, over here are these shadow boxes of fun memorabilia from different decades. At the Mickey Mouse Club. All right, and down here at the end of the lobby, this is the way out to the buses, as I showed at the beginning of the video. We are at the Everything Pop shopping and dining location. Out here is the pool, which we'll go to in just a minute. So let's go check out the gift shop, see what they have here. Check out the Everything Pop dining area, and then we'll head outside. Get your Walt Disney World 2021 shirt and ornaments over here. And they do have the new summer collection that's out at the stores. A lot of people have given a lot of good feedback on the summer collection. And in fact, I just bought this hat. I'm loving it so far. Here at Pop Century, you're going to have the Disney H2O products, and I'm a big fan of those. A lot of people do like the H2O products, so if you want to take those home with you and be able to use those at home, you can come on down here to Everything Pop gift shop and take those home with you. And if you've ran out of something or forgot something at home and you need any toiletries or bathroom supplies, Everything Pop gift shop also has those down here, so you can come get what you need. You need some goggles for the kids at the pool, or some sunscreen for the pool or the parks. Make your way down here to Everything Pop. All right, I don't see as much resort-specific merchandise here, but I do see this Everything Pop tumbler with Mickey on it. And that's pretty cool. It's a nice take-home. Definitely get use out of that when you get home from your trip. But other than that, oh, here we go. Have some more Pop Century resort specific merchandise, including this t-shirt. As you guys know, that's one of my favorite things, is resort specific merchandise. It's just nice to take home to remember your trip by, and I always associate trips with the resorts that I stayed at. And as in most of the other resorts, you can come over here and grab some candy or some snacks for the room or for your day at the theme park. So they have a wide assortment of snacks and candies over here at the gift shop. Here's the food court. You can mobile order and pick it up over there to your left. Same setup as the All-Star Resorts and very similar to Art of Animation. There's a seating area over here to the left as well. And it's not currently open, but they do have the Fast Forward Arcade. All of the value resorts here at Disney have arcades, but are currently closed because of health and safety measures. And if you are chilling at the pool in an afternoon or taking a day to have a resort day and spend at the pool, you can go to Pedals and grab some adult beverages as your kids play by the pool, which is conveniently located right by the pool. And there are restrooms on the side here for pool guests. And in the same building as Pedals and the restrooms, there is guest laundry here. So if you do end up needing to do some laundry, there are some coin machines in there where you can do that. And here is the secondary pool. It's called the bowling pool. Bowling balls over here to our left, and it is in the shape of a bowling pin. So pretty long pool here, good size, definitely for a second pool. The building to enter your room, they're just here on the outside. And because it is a value resort, you are going to find the best pricing here at Pop Century or any of the value resorts. Rooms range from about $120 to $220 a night. Just depends on the day of the week that you stay, the time of the year, and of course the style of room. There are standard rooms and preferred rooms here at Pop Century. Standard being in any one of these buildings, but then the preferred rooms will put you closer to the lobby where the food court and the gift shop are. And one very big bonus of staying here at Pop Century is access to the Disney Skyliner, which is the transportation here that will take you to EPCOT or Hollywood Studios, depending on where you want to go. Lines are usually shorter than taking the bus, takes less time, and is a fun ride here over Hourglass Lake and then up in the sky as you make your way over to the parks. All right, everybody, that'll do it for this resort tour of Disney's Pop Century Resort. If you have any questions about Pop Century or any of the other Disney resorts, please make sure to reach out to one of our expert vacation planners. You can find them at www.407vacations.com. And to get started and get that free, no obligation quote, visit us on the web. And to check out more resort tour videos and room tour videos, check out our green playlist on YouTube. If you found this video helpful or you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-park and in-resort and dining reviews around Walt Disney World and Universal Orlando. Until the next video, guys, take care and thanks a lot for watching.